Hey everybody, Bigfoot here with Bigfoot Videos. So today's going to be day 4 of digging out the crawl space underneath my future master bedroom. So we're going to keep getting some of this dirt out of here, and I'm hoping it's going to be another 2 days worth of digging. We'll see, but make sure to like, share, and subscribe. If you have questions about what I'm doing, put them in the comment section, and then as soon as the video's over, go check out some of the other content. So appreciate everybody, enjoy the clip. So that's gonna do it for today. I'm gonna wrap there. Appreciate everybody who just got done watching my live. If you're watching this video, I'm posting this several days later. But I just got done doing another 36 buckets. I've got one more quadrant right down here in this little area underneath these big HVAC ductings. The two main, they look like two main feeders. So I'm gonna dig underneath those, get those out of here, and then start assessing exactly how deep I want my floor to be, and where I want my beams and all that good stuff. So stay tuned for that future video. Other than that, like, share, and subscribe. Questions in the comment section. Now go check out some of the other content. Appreciate it, everybody. Bigfoot out.